I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately by confirming your Hisense U70 model and backing up any quick settings you can. Once done, unplug the power for 30 seconds, then plug back in while watching boot behavior. If the TV shows safe mode, press and hold the power button on the remote for 10 seconds to attempt a forced normal boot. Make sure to keep the remote pointed at the IR receiver, because timing matters when exiting safe mode. If the interface is usable, you'll navigate Settings, then Device Preferences, then choose Reset to clear the issue. This often removes safe mode by clearing problematic apps. If the UI is blocked, power down, then press and hold volume down plus power on the TV until recovery appears, and choose Factory Reset. For persistent firmware errors, download the correct Hisense U70 firmware to a FAT32 USB, insert it, and apply the update from recovery. This addresses software corruption. After a successful reset or firmware update, reboot normally, set up your preferences, and reinstall only essential apps to confirm stability. You'll avoid reintroducing the fault. If safe mode returns, record any on-screen messages or error codes and contact Hisense support with those details. Make sure to also try simple fixes first. Replace remote batteries, disconnect all HDMI devices, and test again. If none of this works, you'll need authorized service because it may be a hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.